Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
WhatsApp Business Platform for Developers, Lecture 7. In this lecture, we will learn about multimedia, a powerful tool for engagement, sending and receiving multimedia content, interactive features, the future of user interaction, location sharing and mapping integration, custom workflows, tailoring user experiences. Conclusion: harnessing the power of multimedia and interactive features. Multimedia, a powerful tool for engagement. Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the power of multimedia in engaging users. Multimedia refers to any combination of text, images, audio, and video that is used to convey information. By incorporating multimedia into your application, you can create a more immersive and compelling experience for your users. Studies have shown that users are more likely to engage with content that includes multimedia elements. In fact, one study found that people retained 65% more information when it was presented with visuals. So if you want to capture your audience's attention and leave a lasting impression, multimedia is the way to go. Sending and receiving multimedia content. The API we provide allows for seamless sending and receiving of multimedia content, including images, videos, and audio files. This means that your application can easily integrate with various media sources and provide a richer user experience. With our API, you can handle multimedia content in a variety of ways, from uploading and downloading files to streaming content directly to users. We've designed the API to be easy to use and well documented, so you can get started quickly and without any hassle. Interactive features. The future of user interaction. Interactive features are becoming increasingly important in creating engaging and satisfying user experiences. By allowing users to interact with your application in meaningful ways, you can keep them engaged and interested in your product for longer periods of time. Buttons, quick replies, and menus are just a few examples of interactive features that can enhance user engagement. For instance, by providing users with clear and easy-to-use buttons, you can help them navigate your application more easily. Quick replies can be used to provide users with pre-populated responses, reducing the amount of typing required. Menus can also be used to organize content and provide users with easy access to the features they need most. Location sharing and mapping integration. Integrating location sharing and mapping features into your application can greatly enhance user engagement. By allowing users to share their location with friends, family, or even businesses, you create a more personalized experience that fosters trust and loyalty. In addition, mapping integration can provide valuable insights into user behavior, allowing you to better understand your audience and tailor your offerings accordingly. Whether it's through heat maps or real-time tracking, the ability to visualize user activity can help you make more informed decisions and drive growth. Custom workflows. Tailoring user experiences. Custom workflows are an essential part of creating unique and personalized user experiences. By tailoring the workflow to the specific needs and preferences of the user, you can enhance engagement and satisfaction. For example, imagine a banking application that allows users to customize their dashboard with frequently used features such as bill pay or account balances. This customization not only saves time for the user but also makes them feel more in control of their finances. Conclusion. In conclusion, multimedia and interactive features have revolutionized the way we consume and interact with digital content. They have significantly enhanced the user experience by engaging multiple senses and providing a more immersive and dynamic environment. Multimedia, which includes elements such as text, images, audio, video, and animations, allows for the integration of various media types into a single platform. This integration enables content creators to convey information in a more compelling and accessible manner. Users can now engage with multimedia content that caters to their preferred learning styles and preferences, leading to increased comprehension and retention of information. Interactive features take the user experience a step further by enabling active participation and engagement. Through features like clickable elements, touch gestures, drag and drop functionalities, and interactive simulations, users can interact with content in real time and have a sense of control over their digital environment. This interactivity fosters engagement, exploration, and creativity, making the learning or entertainment experience more enjoyable and effective. Multimedia and interactive features have found extensive applications in various fields, including education, entertainment, marketing, and communication. In education, multimedia and interactivity have transformed traditional classrooms into dynamic learning environments where students can actively participate in their own education and explore complex concepts through interactive simulations or virtual reality experiences. In the entertainment industry, multimedia and interactive features have revolutionized gaming, enabling users to immerse themselves in virtual worlds, collaborate with others, and control the outcome of their experiences. Moreover, the integration of multimedia elements like graphics, sound effects, and animations in movies, TV shows, and online platforms has elevated storytelling to new heights, captivating audiences in ways previously unimaginable. In marketing and communication, multimedia and interactive features have become powerful tools for engaging and persuading audiences. Brands can create interactive advertisements, product demos, or virtual tours that allow potential customers to explore and experience their offerings. This interactivity not only increases engagement but also provides valuable data and insights for marketers to tailor their strategies and deliver personalized experiences. Overall, multimedia and interactive features have had a profound impact on our digital experiences. They have transformed how we learn, entertain, communicate, and interact with the world around us. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect further advancements in multimedia and interactivity, leading to even more immersive, engaging, and personalized digital experiences in the future.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.